How to create a thumbnail with Inshot editing app. Okay, so you want to open your Inshot, go to video, where you see video, there's photo, there's collage, so you go to photo, okay, because you want to make a thumbnail. And this is how I make my thumbnail. Somebody asked me, so I decided to edit to create this video. So you click on add, and then you click on blank, okay, a blank space. Then you come here to canvas, you choose a canvas that fits on YouTube, that is 16:9. If you want to make a one of Instagram, 4:5, whatever ratio you want, you can choose a frame. And then you want to choose a background color. There's so many themes here on Inshot. Inshot is free. There is a pro version, but really most of these features you can access them for free. Free. You can create a video over 30 minutes for free. Download it for free. So you have to just use the themes, get to learn how to use this app. You can download it. I've used it for, I think now 2 years. Yeah, coming to 2 years now, and it's great. It's great. I would advise, if you're starting your content channel journey creation, or you want to start a YouTube channel, you want to start creating content, video content, you need to consider Inshot. So far I had used KineMax before, but so far one that is so compatible with the phone mobile version is Inshot. For me, this is my go-to, okay, and it's free. You pay zero. If you want those other goodies, you can go pro. Alright, so you want to have chosen a color, you can choose a background in a picture or whatever. You just click on stickers, then there's the image where you see that icon for images, click, or then there's this one for plus sign. You add the image on your Inshot gallery. Okay, as you can see, all those ones I have added them. So if there's one here, I just click on it. If it's not there, it's in my phone's gallery, I just go to plus. I click the plus sign and create it. Add it. Okay, sorry guys. Alright, so I normally make one with, I get a clip or a snippet of a preview of the video that I've uploaded or that I want to make a thumbnail for, and then I get a screenshot of that, I upload it here. Alright, and then I always put an icon. If now, what is it called, a logo, yeah. If it's WhatsApp, I get for WhatsApp, you just go and screenshot it, make it, suit the frame you want. If it's Facebook, it's Facebook. If it's YouTube, it's YouTube. They'll not catch you for copyright stuff and what. Okay, this is educational, so it's good use. Alright, now you want to go to texting, and you want to make sure that you put, I don't know really, but I like to put direct things, direct thumbnails, direct titles, because I don't want to play on people's minds. Like, I want, by the time someone is searching for something, they really want a solution. That's why this is called Atutaka Solutions. We offer solutions for technology, business, and investments tips. Okay, so most of the times I'm so direct. Yeah, even when I start my videos, I go direct to the point. Okay, but again, I'm detailed. Like, for beginners, most of these tutorials, I make them for beginners, so I don't skip. Excuse me, I don't skip information, because sometimes a beginner might need that detailed explanation. Okay, so with this, there are so many colors, so many designs, so many ways you can do this. So you can edit. You click on this clipboard to edit, on the keyboard to edit the text. Then you click on the sticker icon to put a sticker or to remove stuff like that. You just keep twisting. You touch in that arrow, just keep, you adjust. You can zoom in, zoom out, however way you want it. You can choose the color layout. Also the text, where you see this AA, click there and choose the text outline. Okay, you choose the themes. Like, it's really a DIY. You do it according to your desire or your sometimes it depends on your channel or depends on you as a person, like your taste. Me, it depends on the mood. At times I'm in the mood for bright colors, and at times I just want black and white. All right. Guys, I'm sorry. Yeah, this series of videos you're going to suffer. I think there are 3 or 4 videos I've uploaded with this voice, but yeah, I needed to get them out of the phone. All right, so yeah, now here I'm just like, this is just a DIY. Okay, you can decide to place these words anywhere. Also, where you see these colors, okay, that red, you can decide to remove it. You go to text, not text, you click in it and click that pencil icon like that, you edit. Now when you click on that edit, they can show you if you want to remove these colors. It's just a plain text. It's really up to you. Or you want to mix the colors. There's so many excuse me, there are so many colors, there are those that are mixed themes. Then there's one unison red. If it's red, it's red. Then there are those that are a little bit mixed. So if your passion is in designing, graphics designing, you want to experiment with Inshot, really. But for me, I'm not so good at that. All I need to do is just to make a few blends of the colors, and just to make sure that the contrast is visible. It's visible on YouTube, because a thumbnail will show what is in the video, and it is what will make the person click into that video, or even the video title as recommended by YouTube, or as SEO, results, stuff like that. So yeah, you can rush this video, but yeah, mostly the main thing is over. I just, I didn't want to cut it off, but I would have decided to cut it off, but I just wanted to leave it there. Maybe you could learn something that, if I want to add two photos, if I want to add 2 pictures, stickers, yeah, or you've added 2, now you don't know how to remove one. See, I was trying to add another one. Also, you can preview. If you click on that picture on plus in your gallery, you can long press to review that picture before you add it to your on Inshot. Okay, so again, I was like, okay, if you want to edit, if you want to move the text, you click down below on this T text thing, then you'll be able to tap in that text and move it wherever you want it, or delete it, or expand it, or make it smaller. Okay, so this is my logo. Apparently I usually put it, you want to put something that uniquely identifies you, so that it makes viewers or your people of your channel, your subscribers, to easily spot that, this is a video from Atutaka Solutions. Okay, please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Please, would you recommend any other editing apps that are free? Okay, because really, when you're starting this journey, you don't want to be paying for everything, pay for everything. First of all, you're just querying, you're just trying to find out, the niche. I struggled with niche, YouTube niche. I was all over the place. If I find a vlog, I vlog, I put it. If I find a tutorial, I put it, I upload it. If I find a song, I sing, I upload it. Hey, you guys, you can't see my previous videos. But it's okay. This is your channel. This is your TV. You can always experiment with it. You can grow. Allow yourself time to grow. You don't have to always come out start perfect. You want to get a camera. Excuse me. You want to get an expensive studio camera or stuff like that. Me always, when someone comes to me and asks me how they want to create a YouTube channel, what? If you have a smartphone, really, you have connection, preferably some of you have free Wi-Fi at your workplaces, so you can spend 2 hours in a day, to work on your YouTube channel and find a topic or a niche that interests you, that something that you can do out of passion, out of your will, like that. yeah, you can monetize your channel to give you additional income, but really money shouldn't come first. First establish something that you want to do, even if they were not paying you. For me, this is something that I do in my busy schedule. It is something that when I just upload these videos, when I can help someone out there, when I can provide a solution, for me it's so fulfilling. And I love tech, I love mobile phones, I love gadgets, I love computers, I love experimenting new sites, new, wherever I have my interest in, I love to research, I love to make research and share stuff like that. Yeah, like that's my passion. And when YouTube pays me, I'm like, okay, so thank you YouTube for paying for my passion. All right guys, I was struggling with this. I was like, should I put two? I wanted to put the space was small, so I was just just do try and error. And someone who reached out to me, like really they wanted to know how to make a thumbnail, yeah, like how to even divide these words. Oh god. Hey guys, recommend treatment for cough. I've taken every medicine. Cough has refused to go. All right, so yeah, like you don't want to make one word, maybe you want to say how to create a new WhatsApp group. Okay, it's all one. Like you want to split it a little bit so that it can fit on the frame. So someone was asking me, how do you make your thumbnails? I don't pay anyone to do my thumbnails or create my, like, just to show what is in the video, to help the viewer identify, get what to expect in the video, get a snippet of what to expect in the video. You don't want to make very bright and big enormous text that will, but make something modest, something visible. And I don't know, but just make sure, if you were the one, would you click on that video? Would you be able to read that text? Don't scare people with very huge, big, colorful text. It becomes overwhelming. Some colors are so overwhelming. Too much red, yeah, too much yellow, and it's all okay. I think they're just some preferences, but you want to be so creative with your templates and stuff like that. Find something that works for you and put your viewers in consideration. So finally I made up my mind. Now I was increasing the light of my screen. I normally make it dim, so I was trying to increase it to see the outcome. So you can save it. Saving is free. Just watch an ad and save. See, it's better, right? Yeah, so I actually had to, and when you will see this video, no, the other video on how to create WhatsApp, you'll see the real thumbnail. I adjusted it, so yeah, I was trying to put it in 16 to 9 and over 9 to 16, whatever. So I was trying to adjust the letters, the black was too much, so I decided to put it in the middle so that the yellow can blend it up properly. And basically that's it for today's video, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for watching. Please turn on that bell notification. Well, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and you will not miss any videos. Turn on that bell notification so that whenever I upload, you'll receive a notification from Atutaka Solutions for a new video. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so I don't know, the ads sometimes can be much. If you don't want these ads, you can go pro. No problem with watching ads, like they're not even 30 seconds, 5 seconds or so, like that, and you're done. Now you see, like that. I think the black and white and the green, and as I had the red and the yellow, I was like, let's go by that. After all, you can always keep changing, but most of you can define my videos from most of these colors. They are constant, some of them. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.